Hi, I'm Pierce with Lite and today we're going to be torture testing Clean Armor 757 commercial tabletop finish with all of these chemicals you see in front of us today. Today we're going to be testing all of the Ecolab commercial cleaning products that you would normally see in the front of house in a restaurant, along with a few other things such as Clorox bleach, WD-40, 99% isopropyl alcohol, easy off oven cleaner, Windex, acetone, lacquer thinner, and mineral spirits. Some of these are a true nightmare for most finishes to face. So, full disclosure here. I anticipate that a few of these chemicals are going to absolutely destroy this finish and have no place in normally cleaning wood products. But let's see how well this finish holds up against them anyways. Don't you want to see? I'm going to prep my surface using 2 applications of Clean Armor 730 grain filler with sanding in between to level out the white oak's porous surface. I will then add 2 coats of Clean Armor 757 commercial tabletop finish with a light sanding in between. Okay, time to add these chemicals. I've measured off the squares for each test and will add a small amount of each chemical to the square and then start a timer for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, I'll take a bowl of soapy water and rinse off all the squares, let it dry, and evaluate all of the surfaces to see if the finish degraded in any way. Today we're going to be testing Ecolab Quat Sanitizer, Ecolab Orange Force, Ecolab Multi-Surface Disinfectant, Ecolab Sink and Surface Cleaner, Full Strength Clorox Bleach, WD-40, 99% isopropyl alcohol, Windex, Easy Off Heavy Duty Oven Cleaner, ammonia, acetone, lacquer thinner, and mineral spirits. We're going to add a teaspoon of each chemical and let it sit for 5 minutes while we see if they can destroy the freshly applied Clean Armor 757 finish. Remember, this finish was just applied less than 5 minutes ago. Here's a closer look at each of the chemicals in their squares. After our 5 minutes of waiting is up, let's clean this and dry it thoroughly. This way we can see any damage that happened from any of the chemicals. We are mostly looking for sheen changes, which is indicative of breaking down of the finish. We're taking this top outside of my shop to get a good strong reflective light on the surface. That way you can see any damage from the tests. The only thing I can see is a slight sheen change in the square with full strength bleach. All of the others are totally fine. Well, the results speak for themselves. Can you believe that the only real mark in the finish was from full strength bleach? I thought for sure that the oven cleaner was going to eat right through that finish and into the wood. If you want to purchase any of these Clean Armor products like the 757 finish that was in today's video, head over to my website, links below. Well, that's it for another video about Clean Armor 757. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps keep me motivated making more videos like this one. Happy woodworking.